The Word of God, our Messiah on earth. Nothing connects you to God like His Word. Nothing works like His Word. Nothing has a sure foundation like His Word. When you have the privilege to know this Word, you are more than conqueror. His Word is what is missing in the world today. That is why the whole world suffers. There is chaos everywhere, wars, trouble and uncertainty. Whenever the world of God is missing, the people suffer. Because to miss God means you miss His Word. The Word is everything. The Word has the ability to take you far in life. His Word speaks. His Word heals the sick. The Word raises the dead. His Word brings in salvation. Life that has been barter is fully restored by this Word. Nothing was ever made without His Word. Heaven and earth may cease, but His Word remains forever. Are you crying presently? His Word whipped away tear. Bring joy in the morning time. Give a barren woman child to celebrate. Mend broken home. Fix broken life. To name it all, the Word is God Himself. And that particular Word is Jesus, the Word of the living God.